If you're not using ChatGPT to make money in 2025, you're leaving income on the table every single day. This isn't just a cute trend. It's a tool that can literally help you create more value faster. Here are 3 ways to use ChatGPT to grow your income, starting right now. 1. Sell digital products faster. Struggling to name your course, outline your ebook, or write your landing page? ChatGPT can help you do all of that in minutes. You can type, "Help me name a Canva template shop for busy moms," or "Write a 5-day email sequence for my new digital planner launch." The result? You spend less time overthinking and more time launching products that actually sell. 2. Create content that converts. Whether you're on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, content is what drives traffic, but most people get stuck on what to say. ChatGPT can give you caption ideas for your exact audience, script outlines for reels and shorts, hooks that grab attention. Just say, "Give me 10 video ideas for a hairstylist who teaches extensions," or write a hook for a post about burnout and moms starting side hustles. Now your content speaks directly to the people ready to buy. 3. Package what you know into a service or offer. Whether you're a hairstylist, teacher, or accountant, ChatGPT helps you take what's in your head and turn it into a paid offer. You can ask, "Help me turn my braiding skills into a course outline," or "What are 3 service packages I could offer as a virtual assistant?" This is how you stop guessing and start building income around the skills you already have. Bottom line, you don't need to be a tech person. You need to know how to ask smart questions and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Use it right, and it becomes your